Let me share my screen one more time. Yeah, this is the topic we were doing yesterday. We were working on, I think I should open PyCharm. I think all of you also please open PyCharm. And we are working till this. We created a bar chart yesterday. And one more thing is task 5. This is one we should do. We'll do this and we'll stop here. It doesn't mean that I want to stop because there is so much we can keep adding to that. Okay, but why I stop here? Because there are other topics we need to cover. So again, while topic covering each and every topic, we try to add a scenario to apply with the topic itself. Okay, so now task 5 is this is what we did yesterday. Let me just open PyCharm. The system got restarted. That's why I think it got closed. Otherwise, usually it will be opened. Okay, I think we got directly into the PyCharm. Yeah, this is our project we did yesterday. I shared the code base with you. So right now we are at task 4, I hope. Now let's get into the task 5, that is sorting that graph. So that we can do in the same this bar chart function itself. We don't need to create a separate function for that again. Okay, so now here, this is when I run this program. Let me just, you can directly run this. I shared the code and that data set with you. You can run that. Now run it once, friends. I think you can hear me and you can see my screen, right? Two things, quickly check. Quick check is my screen is visible and am I audible, right? Okay, then let's run this now. I'll just show you what is the task today. Stop and return. It's running, just a minute. It's going on. We'll get the chart as well. This is the chart. Now the requirement is we should sort this bar graphs like in descending or ascending. It's up to you. Usually better go with descending order. Highest bar in the first place, next highest in the second place, like that. Go in descending order. And for this, the simple thing is there is nothing really difficult here. Only thing is what is that you should do. This is the requirement. Task 5. Sort your bars in the bar chart, either in ascending order or in descending order. That is what you should do. And this is a requirement usually people might ask when you are working on some product, right? So that because you build something for someone like a product owner, for him, he don't want to waste his time. So just why they ask us to build all this, because to quickly understand all the stats quickly, right? Understand about data so that they make decisions quickly, right? So in this, the simple thing you should do here is when when you have that bar graph. So task is this. What is the task for us? The task is so sort bar chart according to in descending order. Means you should sort according to that sizes, largest size first and then next largest second, like that. Okay, so sort bar chart in descending order. For this, what is that you should do? Simple thing, you don't need to do anything here. Very simple thing is what you have to simply, what is that you should do? You just simply do one thing here. What is it? You have this one, right? This is your dictionary. This is your dictionary. What you can do before you you create this list like this, right? We created some list, right, to plot this data onto the bar chart. What did we do? We extracted keys from dictionary and values from dictionary, and keys are, right? These keys are nothing but your project list that is plotted along x-axis and size is plotted along y-axis. This is what we did yesterday after iterating that dictionary and getting these details, right? So same thing, you don't need, I believe you don't need to change anything here. The simple thing you should apply here is you have to, if you want to just if you want to sort your graph or bar chart, just sort this data. If you sort this dictionary, then automatically everything is in place. That's all. So for this, what you have to do, come here. This is your dictionary, right? This is project size dictionary. You are passing to the bar chart method. Before you pass this, what is that you should do? The very important thing you should do here is sort this dictionary. Sort dictionary in which order? In descending, or you can, it's up to you. You can sort in ascending or descending. Anyhow, you get inputs again from your product owner, whether either it should be in which order, either it should be in descending or ascending. If they are okay with ascending, keep it as is. If they are want in descending, just a small change. So to do this sorting, we can directly do a sort on dictionary using dict comprehension. What comprehension? Dict comprehension. So you can get it directly. For this, one important thing you should remember is it is the idea. It's not about technicality here. One thing that should be in your mind is when such requirement comes, you should be able to figure out what is that you should do, right? What is that you should do if you want to just sort that graph? That is the idea you should have in the mind. Technicalities, anyhow, we can Google it. You don't need to remember anything when you're working in a development. All you need to know is what is the problem, how to solve it, what thing to apply to that data structure. Now to this data structure dict, I should do sorting. Suppose you don't know sorting, just go and Google it. Simply, I'm just giving you a quick idea how to sort a dictionary with the key and value case. So this is simple. Values in Python. Just do this. You get a simple syntax. Just copy it. Sometimes you don't need to make even a small change. You can just use it as is. And if somewhere here and there, sometimes you need a small change. Okay. So you can see here. Right. This is a good website. Real Python is one of the best websites for Python content, for Python learning. Okay. I think I cannot register now. I don't have that much time. So what I do is I skip this part. Maybe I can take another website. Okay, leave it. We have so many websites here. Okay. Stack Overflow is one such thing. In my office, as most of these websites don't open. So my best friend in my office is Stack Overflow. Okay. Just giving you an idea because not all companies allow everything. So they just restrict most of the websites. So and most of my development happens with which one? It happens with this one only. So here you can have direct to sort a dictionary. You have direct concept of what is that? This one, friends. Sorted method. I had discussed this while discussing all data structures. You can directly say that dictionary and then you can just sort that here. That's all, friends. Okay. So sorted method you can use, to that you can pass that items key value pairs so that it will sort that dictionary in some order. This is one thing. I see one more important thing. Based on key, because here dictionary have to be sorted based on keys here. Sorry, based on values here. See, what is that? How your dictionary should be sorted? This is your dictionary. This should be sorted based on values. All your values are sizes of database. So you should sort this dictionary based on values. Right. I can write a comprehension, but I just want to show you. Right. Which one is the best fit here? Yeah, this is the best fit. Which one? This one. So you have here. you can use this one. So you have multiple things. With experience, you understand which one to pick. Once you are good at something, when you Google something, the important thing is there will be so many, I mean, use cases. Okay, so many results otherwise for your search. Which one to pick is something you have to master. That comes with practice. That's all, friends. Okay, now I took this and come to the code, and where is this one? Under this comment, paste this. This is a, we are applying a little bit of comprehension here. Okay, in the sorted method. Here, which one I should sort? I don't sort ordered dictionary. I need to sort which one. I just need to apply sorted off. What is that? Sorted off. And place of D dot items, you choose this one, project size dict. You know, like this here, items. And other things are, you can just leave it as is. This lambda is a function, we'll talk about it. Already I have gathered those topics after this. You can see, we'll talk about this lambda functions when we again jump to the functions topic. For now, just remember this is a lambda function where it takes, this is argument and this is the actually the logic you pass here, right? This is parameter and this is actually the your body. So it takes a parameter here. You can pass one or two or three parameters. It's up to you how many other parameters you can pass. So this is like passing parameters to a function. And here you pass, you apply logic here. For now, the logic is simple. You know, right? In this key value pair, which is the item you should extract here, the second item. So means what? Second means as per index, this is some value of someone. Internally, it converts all these key value pairs to tuple. And from tuple, what will be the index? This is 0, this is 1. If tuple has indexing, right? While this sorting is happening, internally what happens is you when you apply this sorted method directly, this dictionary gets converted to tuples, list of tuples, and sorting is applied on those tuples. So if this is a tuple, what would be the index of this element, the second element? Because we know this is having a same structure, so we don't need to worry about the position here, because every second position, every even second value in that tuple is a is your size of database. So this is one tuple, this is another tuple, and third one is another tuple. So try to extract second element, means as per tuple, that is T of 1. Okay, that's all we are done. Just assign this result to, you can simply say project dict. You can use the same name here, dict sorted equal to sorted of something. Now you just print and see before you pass it to the bar chart method. Other than that, remaining things will be left as is. Remaining things will be the same. Now, what do you do? Print this. You don't need to do any changes. Everything will be kept as is. Okay, now run this quickly. You don't need to call this bar chart now. Before calling bar chart, see if your dictionary is sorted or not. That is important. Because if you want to sort the bars in bar chart, the important simple trick is just sort this dictionary. Automatically, the bars in bar chart get sorted. That is the idea. Now let's see the output. Now you can see, right? This is the last thing. If you see here, what happened here? It sorted. Did it sorted or not? You can see here. It sorted that. But again, this became a list. I don't want this to be in the list. See, I told you right sometime back while discussing the topic. So internally, sorted method convert dictionary into list of tuples. Each key value pair in dictionary here is converted to a tuple. Got it right? And then sorting is applied on these sizes, right? The second value of each tuple. Okay, this is fine, but I want this to be in descending order. Of course, and also I don't want my output to be in the list format, but I want it to be in the dictionary format. There are two changes I need. Simply what I have to do, comma, you can say reverse parameter. You can add a reverse parameter and then just say true. When you say true, you get that dictionary sorted in descending order. Okay, right click, run this now. Okay, run with list first. We will change that to again dictionary. You can see, right, 950, 800, 800, 620, 600. Now I want this output to be in the dictionary format. Then just convert, do a conversion of all this into dictionary. Just pass, put dictionary before sorted method, and add, enter, put everything that sorted method, everything in that dictionary. And this dict is a conversion function. It converts everything that is written by this sorted method into a dictionary. So that is the idea here, friends. Okay, now right click and run this now. This time you should see output in the form of a sorted dictionary. See here, is this dictionary sorted or not? This is unsorted dictionary and this is sorted dictionary. And in the sorted method, you did a bit of a comprehension here. You did updated few things here, used a lambda and passing second value to that lambda function. Internally, that sorted method do all that sorting that is needed. Only thing is you should know how to pass your values here. The first value should be, if it is dictionary, pass it as items. You know how to pass items, right? It has a key and value. That item split key value pair into key and value. And again on that key, what you are applying here, you are trying to extract a key equal to, you are trying to extract second value, and according to that second value, all that values in the dictionary gets sorted. That is the idea, friends. Finally, we got expected output, and finally we sorted the dictionary. Now just pass this sorted dictionary to the bar chart function. That's all. Here only idea you should get is this one. If you sort dictionary, this your norm regular dictionary, unsorted dictionary. If you sort it in descending order, your job is done. Right now, run this now. Then you see a different output altogether now. This time you can see now. See, I didn't do anything. I just sorted dictionary. When I sorted dictionary, again all my bars got sorted here. See how simple this is. But here only as a developer, what is the idea you should get? You don't need to break your heads. Only thing you should get is, if I sort dictionary, I can easily sort my graph. That is the idea that should strike your mind, friends. If you have that thing, then it's fine. And getting this code and right or searching for this code and just making small changes is simple. Any developer with minimal basics, minimal fundamental knowledge can make these changes, right? So that's it, friends. So minimum basic knowledge, you can make all these changes. So finally, what we are able to achieve, all we implemented 5 tasks in this thing, and finally we are able to see a sorted dictionary as well. So starting from taking a data set, trading it, applying pandas, there is so much of learning curve in this simple project, right? You can see here we just started with the data set, right? Where is that data set? It might be somewhere. Maybe let me just student. Yeah, you can see here. So this is the data set. So what learning curve you have in this means there is so much. This itself is a mini development for us. You can see here. You have a simple data set here, and then we can close this. Somehow it is taking time. No problem. And then we used pandas. You can see here. And through that pandas, we try to create a data frame, right? And from that data frame, again, what did we do? You can see here at the bottom. From that data frame, again, what did we do? We try to convert that data frame to a dictionary again. And again, that dictionary, what we did, we used it to convert it to some, you can see here. Again, we got another dictionary, getting project wise size of each project here. So we created one more dictionary. sorting that or doing sum of all those sizes according to project. That is one more thing, right? Again, what did we do? Again, we plotted that data onto a bar chart. Before plotting, again, just now, we did one more sorting on that dictionary according to that values, right? Finally, we sorted in descending order. When we run it, we got expected graph here. So this is a simple project which covers a lot of things, friends. Also, it involves what is that different technicality. We had touch based, right? Different technicalities here. What is that? We have opportunity to apply dictionaries, okay, to create dictionaries, construct dictionaries, also to construct lists, right? Different things we did. Also, you can see here, we try to format data using functions like this, all this, right? This is the quick idea, friends. So I'm just sharing this code with you. Let me share the code with you. I think not like this. I'll do one thing. This again, insert. So this, you should get this in right format. See here, you can take it and you can test it. Already I shared dataset yesterday. If you want, I can share you one more time. Or anytime if you need anything, just ping me, friends. That's all. Just a ping away. Then I can share that whatever content you want. Okay. So that's all about this one. So we are done with this a mini project on different data structures, but this is not yet completed. Also, I created one more this thing for you. I don't know if that data is there or not. We will work on one more thing when we go to another topic while working with files or something, data stock. Okay, something like that. Yeah, this one you see. While just checking in the Google, I mean, working on some data sets, I came across this data set. And you can also use this data set, download it, keep it ready. We work on this at some point of time again. Like, how to get this. You just put it in the Excel. And what we do is we'll try to play with this data. Like, there are so many company names here and which share is high, which share is low. You have to convert all this data into some dictionary or some list, and you have to sort this according to prices from highest to lowest, and you should get top shares from this list, something like that, from NSE as well as from BSE prices, and what is the this market cap, all that, and we plot this again onto some, which one, some of these trending charts, and let us show to the users, like, which stock is doing best, right? Like that, you can create your own. You can use Python to do analysis on stock data as well, friends. Just giving you a simple idea. You can take last 10 years stock of some company, and you can build a simple project like this, and you can get that training, and based on that, if you are interested, you can wisely invest in stocks. I am not suggesting to invest. I'm just giving you an idea, right? If you are a stock market investor, you can create a simple application for yourself, develop it, right? So I'm just giving you a quick a self development project. That's all from existing data in the internet. That's all, friends.